Yes, here is my workshop, and I can show you a little bit what I have here. You can go over to here. You can start here. Here I have boxes, a lot of boxes with parts and tools, and I have charging for DeWalt, for Ryobi and Bosch, and hot gun, hot glue gun, lamp, and yeah. Over here we have a couple of machines that I'm working on, and that was an alarm that it was movement on the outside, mailman, or yeah. Well, over here I have a battery charger, and you see a lot of, you see the shadows here. It is, let's see here, I've turned on the photo light, not with the soft boxes at the moment. That's why I see the shadows, but instead of using the light in the roof that gives a lot of flickering, then I use these lights right now. But let's see here, we can here you have monitor. I have 3 monitors on the machine, which is standing down there with an UPS. But while sitting here working, I have access to keyboard with the mouse pad here, and the wristband here, grounded. Under here I have the isolation transformer, I have a vacuum cleaner, cyclone thing-ish, with this going out to another room, which the vacuum cleaner is located. Not that much noise, and here is micro switch. When I just lift that off, the vacuum cleaner automatically starts. And here is my trusted screwdriver, and Lazy Susan. It's made from living room chair, big living room chair. So I use the swivel plate, or what's called, underneath here. Let's see here. The lights I have here, lights, the plate that I can drag out. Yeah, we can go up here and filming. I have the tripod. It's very nice to have it here, then I can just put it wherever I want, and I use these so I can easily move it. Here, microscope, so I can take look back here, and I use that when filming as well, from the overview. And I have this here. Now, if I have a service manual here, I can just jump from page to page by clicking up and down here. I can control the lights. So like that, and it's connected to Home Assistant, so I can use Google as well. OK Google, skru på taklys. Voila. And here I have, I can see the 3D printer job, how many percent it's left. I have the plus minus of the volume and stop start. If I'm watching YouTube, for example, I'll listen to music, I can start and stop it here. So that's light, and that's the PDF reader. Here, main input, and here I have the voltage in and power usage from the outlet there and there. And if I want to use an isolation transformer, I see here the voltage and usage on the isolation transformer, which is there and over there. This, well, a lot of the tools holders are 3D printed. This one, that one. Here I have to fill up this. Here's, yeah, the Torx X key, oil, and all my trusted VA. And here the thermal camera. The battery here is the same that I showed you first in the charging station, the Bosch charger, and drill, holder for drills, like that. Here I have fan for fume and soldering fume. Charging. Let's see, battery, and this one I printed from printables, and I think on Instructables it says, tells about the charging and yeah, every wiring. So usually I make the tool holders myself, but this one and that one is from printables. Yeah, but the other here I've made myself. And the same with a drawer here. So here is screwdrivers and bits and pieces and stuff and things that I use daily. And when like that, and the holder here I've made so I just slide it in. Yeah. Bits and pieces and stuff and things. And here I have screw trays. And this is for if I put the sewing machines over on the side, I can adjust this at different heights, so the machine is lying the way I want. Yeah. And over to this side here, I have the electronic repair part bench, oscilloscope, power supply, is DC load, function generator, and a multimeter, same as there, a multimeter, and 3D printed some holders for cables and for the other things, like here, let's see, there, things I use when soldering. Same as up here, I have a holder for the probes. Here I have another microscope. This is higher. Yeah, you can see the tip of the needles and stuff like that. So it's just for really, really small parts close up. Soldering iron, that one. It's really, I really love it. It's so nice. And when I just take this out, it's up to heat. So from the time I take it out here to putting in onto what I want to solder, the heat is what it's supposed to be. Here as well, it's some 3D printed holders. Here is soldering station for this is a little bit more wattage. I'm using a little bit more heat, then I can use this one. So here I have different tips. These two are connected to power supply. So it's yeah, almost 40 volts in. And that's to the main outlet. But the thing is, if I want to use this over on the bench, I can do like that. So it's a hot swap. And the same here, I can turn it on like that, or I can take it out. So it's even if I have them up here, all of these I can just easily release and use another place on the bench. Here is output for and this light. So yes, here Variac for main out, and I have the load here. So it's if it's shorted, this one lights up. I'm going to install another one as well, so I can switch between 60, 120 and 180 watts of load here. And here is the desoldering station. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see here. And yeah, main working place. And here as well I have the stream deck, but the bigger type. So when I'm editing videos and stuff, I have this one to some shortcuts and things. And over here I have this 3D printed, so it's for hot shrink tube. Yeah, that's what it's called. Printers and yeah, parts I make and sell, 3D printed parts, and different other things and stuff, and machines that I'm working on, books, and some components. Yeah, I hope it's definitely more, but this was the little short walkthrough in my workshop. So I hope you enjoyed this, and have a lovely day.